Good, hello, welcome back to Feature Nuggets. So I'm going to be showing you how to create vector art that exists across both the line art and the color art sublayers simultaneously, so it'll be all prepped and ready for filling. Check this out. With the brush tool selected, you'll notice down here in tool properties at the bottom, there is this button that sort of looks like the transfer operation we looked at last time, only this time it's got a brush on it because it means automatically create color art. It's a switch type. If I turn it on, it will stay on. And I'll do another bouncy ball animation like that. There we go. Down on the color art sublayer, you'll notice now it has automatically generated as I drew. Now this seems wonderful, but there's a reason why I didn't show it to you as the default method last time. And that's because if you do alterations, say if I start erasing part of this circle, the color art one is still going to stay complete. So if you're not careful and you do a bunch of sketches, alterations, trace overs, in-betweens, what have you, this invisible color art section could accidentally become just insane. And you're not going to be able to tell until you start filling it and realize that, only little bits are, it's crazy. So be aware the feature's there, make use of it when you can, but be sensible. Oh, and last thing I should mention before we move on. Up until now, I've been talking about the sublayers all being functionally the same, only differing by name. But that live transfer brush, that is specifically from line art to color art. Whereas the operation one, where you press the button to copy that information down, that does have a bit more flexibility. If you shift click on the button itself, then you can get a bit more control, including which of the sublayers it will take and distribute to. Example of where this can go wrong. I've painted this circle right on the line art, but down on the color art, it's gone and done this, a great big right mess. So I was going to, put some different artwork here, and it was not cooperating until I turned it on. I was like, oh boy. So, yeah, boy.